Okay, so hey you guys, what's more fun than sitting at home walking around San Jose del Cabo? So that is our resort over there, and we are just going to do a walking tour of some of the stores here right across the street from our resort. We have lots of stores including Billabong, lots of regular stores that you would see in America, and some that you wouldn't see here. So there's Spicy Tuna Restaurant, which is supposed to be one of the best here. I think I'm gonna go in there later on and get some sushi. And there's another restaurant here. I can't see what this is. Latino 8, okay. And then we have Roxy. There's some other stores here. There's a La Forchetta down there, which is an Italian restaurant. Across the street here we have Cabo Azul. This is the next door resort, and then a little bit further down we have Vedanta Resort that also has beach access. So if you're not staying in one of these resorts, you can park across the street or along one of these like these cars are, and you have beach access to go to the beach over here. Here we have a foot therapy massage with fish. So this is where those fish eat the dead skin cells off of your feet. If you guys watched my SeaWorld San Diego video, we showed you how they do that with your hands over there. And here are some more. Now remember, these are stores just across the street from our resort. Tommy Bahama is here, Lombok, Fish and Grill right there, and then there's some ice cream right around the corner. So that's looking from the direction we just came, and this is the walk that we're gonna go on right here. And there's Vedanta across the street, and the ocean way down there. So if you're coming down here to San Jose del Cabo, the beach access is right there. There's also a restroom down that way, and you just follow that path right there. It brings you straight to the beach. There's some parking, or you can find parking on the road. Here's one of the roundabouts at the end of the Hotel Zaria Hotel Zone. Down that way is the marina. If you keep going, the estuary and the marina, and the estuary is right in front of us. Okay, so we are going to the cemetery here, and the reason I want to show you this is because it's very different from our cemetery. So let's go take a look. In Mexico, it's all about families, and when someone dies, they honor their family members, even in death. So, it's just very cool. And everything's above the ground here, it's not underground. They're all in their own little crypts. Looks like there's a lot of new graves. Wow. Either that or they're just building some new ones. Okay, we'll walk as far as this. Some of these are really, really old here. And other ones are newer. This is 2021. And then this one wasn't even here when we were here the last time. And neither was that one down there. I just want to show you kind of what they look like. Look all the way over there on the hill. It looks almost like a Taj Mahal. That's a hotel. Lots of hotels and condos being built here in San Jose del Cabo. Lots of expats moving here. Pretty cool. And this is the walk to the town of San Jose del Cabo, where I took you guys the other night for Art Walk. That's the estuary right there. You can go horseback riding. There's some horses at a company called Bonanza in there, which is the best place to go horseback riding. If you want a 1.5, 2 hour ride, they take you through the estuary, pick mangoes, pick fruit. It's really pretty cool. So when walking from the hotel zone into San Jose, these are the first stores that you see. A hemp shop, frozen yogurt shop, a pharmacy, which you see very, very many of here. Seafood place, a sushi place. I think there's a dentist here. I'm not sure what that last one is. I think you rent bikes over there. So There's one of the pharmacies. And you can see you could just get anything you want here without a prescription. Here's a restaurant. 2-for-1 sushi. Okay, this is the furniture at Los Cabos. This is like the tourism industry. You see these all over town. They protect the estuary. They protect all the land that needs to be protected. And it's part of tourism here. Over here is one of the many golf courses here in Cabo San Lucas and Los Cabos and San Jose del Cabo. This goes all the way back, way around there, and then these are all condos, and on the other side of that are some houses. These are a lot of Airbnbs here. This is one of the first restaurants you come to. It's called Chula. It's a vegan cafe. Very good. Here's a music store. And then the second set of stores over here. More dentists, little shops, an ice cream shop is over here, a realtor. So here we are at one of the most popular bars down here. It's called Drinking Time. It's got drinks and I believe snacks. Yeah, snack bar. Okay, and let's take you over here to one of the artisanal malls. So let's walk up here and I'll show you some of the shops. That's George, right?
Yeah, it is. Stop it.
Huh?
Stop it.
Yeah. There's more things.
Yeah.
Shirts.
That's funny.
What?
Keep calm, you're on the fun side of Trump's wall. Except for Trump's wall isn't up.
That's cute.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look
It
at
is.
Old Guys Rule.
But they don't.
No, but that's that brand.
Yes, I know. It's everywhere.
Oh, look at these. That'd be pretty in the living room. That's cool.
I missed my calling. I should start my own brand.
This one right here is in a range of 750 pesos, and this one 650 pesos. So this one is super cool. Yeah, that one has protect.
Okay, you guys, so this is one of my favorite things here down in San Jose, in the town. Look at how intricate. Beautiful. Just gorgeous stuff. These are all hand painted. Look at, they have bottles. It's so pretty. The detail on them is just amazing. One of my favorite shops to look in. Bottles. So pretty. And they have cups, coffee cups, more bottles over here. And let's see, all of these, they have shot glasses down here. Look at the detail, just exquisite. And these shot glasses, beautiful. All of this, same thing. And then I'm going to show you too all of this beading. So I have a little ornament at home, but all of this beading is done by hand and it's on wood. Just exquisite. Look at that. Look at how beautiful. So these are made of tree bark and all hand done. And we have one of these at home also that Jack made a frame for. But look at that, all intricate, woven together. Beautiful, beautiful art. Beautiful pieces. These are the bigger ones. And then they have some smaller ones down here. You guys are ever in San Jose del Cabo, you gotta come to this shop. So we are on one of the side streets and I just want to show you some of the houses here. So we are gonna walk toward a store, which is actually by Walmart, but we won't be going into Walmart. But this is one of the side streets. Perfectly safe to walk down here. Look at all the pretty murals. Very, very pretty, very nice walk. It's a little bit warm today, but it's not too hot to be walking, and we're in the shade. Here's a little bit more of the roads with the houses. Yeah, there's sushi too. That says market. I bet they're not expensive there. This is a school, right? It's a sushi market. Tadia.
So do you remember what his name is yet?
Notary Public. Jess?
Jess? Is that what it was?
Yeah, I think so. Okay, right across the street is one of the many fresh fruit kind of stands. This one's a store, but you can get fresh smoothies. There's breakfast, lunch, and dinner right there, but their fresh smoothies are amazing, you guys. Really, really good.
Shit, you buy nothing.
Sorry about that. I didn't know if my camera was on, but I just want to show you a little bit of a housing right here. So, and then there's a restaurant. Let's make this. Okay, there's a restaurant right there. Car wash. This is where we've walked so far. So this is way on the outskirts of our town. This is still San Jose del Cabo, but this is not in the touristy district completely. Oh, look at the chickens. Look at the baby chicks. So usually, oh, look at that. Baby chickens, so they usually see a lot of chickens and cats, and they run free, and there's probably eggs in there and everything. Oh, there is eggs. I see eggs. How cool. Very cool. Okay. And there's a florist shop right there. So this is real Mexico. This is where all the locals go. There's a cafe pasteleria, so it's a bakery. This is where all the locals go, you guys. This is where the people live, and this is where we like going because it's just better, and you get better prices. So very cool. Okay, over there is called the Pancake House. This is one place that all the locals, because I'm in the forums for San Jose del Cabo, this is one of the places that all of the locals and the expats say to come for breakfast. It's supposed to be really, really good. Okay, so here is one of the Walmarts. Right here, this is a super, super tiny Walmart. Soriana Supermarket, that's one of the smaller supermarkets. And then this is one of the main streets. Highway 1, right? I think this is Highway 1. This is the way we came in, coming from the airport. And there's an OXXO right there. So OXXOs here are like 7-Elevens, except way much cheaper. Mountain in the distance. Here we go. Okay, I am gonna close out this video. Thanks for watching, you guys. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. Share the channel, like, and comment giveaway if you guys want to get something that we've gotten here in Mexico today to give away. We got a couple things. And we will see you soon with a tour of the hotel resort. Thanks for watching, you guys. See you soon. Love you all. Okay, this is another store, grocery store. It's called La Comer, or eating place to eat. And Starbucks is over there, McDonald's is over there. There is a sushi place here too, remember? There is a sushi place over here too. So we're gonna go in here. We're looking for a specific thing, and I'm not gonna show you guys a whole tour here because we've been in here. It's basically just grocery store, but we're gonna look for a couple things, and that's it. Okay, so one of the last things I want to add is Cabo dolphins. So when we first came out here about 16 years ago, Cabo dolphins was not here. This was a park. The only place that you can actually swim with the dolphins was out at San Lucas, Cabo San Lucas Marina. So now you can do it right here, and our resort is not even a block away. So it's pretty cool. Yeah, you can also do it in the Cabo, San Jose del Cabo Marina. So really cool. It looks like it's closed today, but today's Monday, so that's kind of be expected. And yeah, it's late in the day. So, but yeah, you can swim with the dolphins right here and just walk across the street. I mean, basically, this is another resort right there. One of the new ones. This wasn't here when we first came here either. In fact, this was a park where I used to get fresh coconut milk, and then we used to cut the coconuts and eat the coconuts. So it's really cool. Kind of disappointed that the park's not there anymore, but oh, I still love this city.